What are you doing?
Making eggs. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, one by one. Wait lang, ha? So, lagay mo sa'yo, ate. Dito. Pour ng... Sino mauna?
Ako.
Eh, sino ba?
Ako. Ay.
Si ate Maya mo na.
Yeah.
Oh, sige.
Put niya dalawa.
Hindi, isa. Isa-isa kayo. Oh, lagay ka ng konting oil. Akyat dyan. Lagay ka konting oil lang. Bukan mo yung oil. Malaki yan. Okay.
Si Ate Mara first.
Saan yung sa'yo? Ito?
Yeah. Sa akin yung brown. Not mine. Huwag yung isa, ha?
Hindi na.
Huwag yung isa na. Plain.
Okay. Sige na, puti. Akyat ka dito kaya hindi ka na.
Ay, alis.
Hindi mo makita eh.
Nakita ko.
Sige. Kamata ka. Mahulog dyan. Dito lapit. Ganyan, lapit lang ganyan.
Next is me.
Okay.
How about next is me? Wow! Next is me.
Yes, mamaya na. Pagkatapos ni ate. Mami yung kanya. Dali dito ate. Check mo yung egg mo. Baka masunog.
Wow! Looks so cool. I want to see it. Okay, basta. Wow.
Careful sa fire ha.
Careful of fire. Yeah, it's so dangerous. Oh, it's burning.
Okay. Tingnan mo yung ano.
This. Yes.
Then,
Look at this. What this looks like this? Looks like Ate Mara's is like that.
is what?
White.
Okay. Fold mo siya. Pag ganyan na, pwede mo
Yeah,
i-fold.
wag mo ako same kay Ate Mara.
Yan. Oo, ay, hawak kita. So satisfying.
I hear the bubble.
Yeah. Very satisfying. Yeah. See? Low fire lang lagi. Ganyan. Dali ka, ikaw mag-flip. Hawakan mo. Yan, i-flip mo.
Ow.
Yan.
Wow.
O, diba? Dali-dali lang magluto ng egg nyo. Excited ka na? Wait lang.
Next is me.
Done.
Next is me.
Yes. Next na ikaw. Okay.
Next is me.
Hawakan mo to, oh. Hawakan mo to. Ay, hawakan mo nang maayos kasi yung ano mo. Yan. Para ka naghahawak ng ano eh. Tapos ilagay mo na yan dito. Sige, ganun mo. Ano masyado? Point? Yan. Put it here. Okay. Good job, ate. Again. Okay, next.
It's our turn.
Si Pasti naman. Yan sa'yo.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. There's a butter. Ah, yum, yum, yum,
Eat.
yum, 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 yum.
Okay, good job.
Wow. Yum, yum. Wow.
Tapos, low
Just
fire
wait.
lang.
Just
Just
wait.
wait for a while. Hold this.
Okay.
Ang galing nyo na mag-cook ba? Hindi ganyan. Ganyan. Ang galing na mag-cook niyan ng mga babies ko ba? Pwede na iwanan sa bahay. Mag-cook na sila na sarili nilang food.
Yeah. Mommy.
Mm.
Ano next kami mag-egg? Normal na egg.
Anong normal na egg?
Look at this. How about?
Wait na, wait na.
How about?
Ayan.
Hot. Normal pala na egg.
Anong normal na egg? Yung sunny side up? Yung hindi niya ganon? Pwede din. Turuan kita ngayon na.
Yeah.
Ang dami na nating nalutong egg eh. O, tapos, fold mo yan.
I-eat namin.
Yan,
I-eat
fold.
namin yan mamaya.
Fold. Tapos,
Mami,
fold.
i-eat namin yan mamaya.
Opo. Yan. Good job, basta.
Basta. Wow.
Then, cook na siya. So simple. It's very easy.
Okay, now put
Okay.
it.
Then, you
Mami,
scoop.
na-memorize ko na yung steps
Ay,
agad.
Naman.
Ay,
Ay, ganyan.
bonsai.
Yan, ganyan. Scoop. Then, put it here. Good job.
Wow!
Okay, bukas ulit yung sunny side up, ha?
Wow! Wow, it looks like Sailor Army! Yay! Yay! Marunong na kami mag-cook.
Kainin niyo yan mamaya.
No!
Ay, buwan. Diba?
I want to do.
Dali-dali lang.
No, hindi dali.